I called my mother. I told her, you need to come over here. The laundromats are free a quarter today. So she was telling my sister, get us a load of clothes so we can come over.
I live off of 26 and Broadway, and I need to get my clothes washed today, so I drove all the way down here. If it's new, I know it's gonna clean good, so hey, it's all good.
People struggle to not be able to get a washer and dryer, having to do all that, walking back and forth with the clothes and it's heavy loads. For me, it makes me happy and it's an inspiration to know that, I can come here and feel at home, so I feel at home here.
It's a place for everybody to use. I mean, some people had difficulty going to the laundromat. They might have to get a ride with their parents or a friend or somebody, and sometimes they might not have no ride to go nowhere, no laundromat or nothing like that. So this is really good for the community and the neighborhood.